tarot reader, tarot guide Shefali. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you've already subscribed my YouTube channel. If you haven't, please subscribe right now and press that bell notification so you keep getting regular updates of the videos that I keep releasing. So friends, as you're aware, we have two channels, Tarot Reader Shefali in Hindi and Tarot Reader Shefali in English, especially for the global audience who are more acquainted and comfortable with English language. Friends, I also have a new channel, new brand under the name Astro Vruksh by Shefali. It is going to be a parent brand and Tarot Reader Shefali will be a sub part of Astro Vruksh by Shefali. Astro Vruksh by Shefali, I offer integrated destiny management solutions where I cover tarot reading, astro tarot, astrology, Vedic, KP astrology, Vastu, Astro Vastu, palmistry, numerology, healing therapies, crystal therapy, as well as spiritual guidance, everything in my own capacity. Wherever I feel there is a need and connect as per your problem or a solution is possible through this or other stream, I try to offer it to optimize the result for you. So that is what this new brand is going to get for you. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube channel, Instagram page, Facebook page and Facebook group of Astro Vruksh by Shefali. Do join me on Facebook group of Astro Vruksh by Shefali. In coming month, we will be doing a lot of activities over there. Right now, it's a small group, so the activities are quite limited, but we'll be doing more and more activities as we go ahead in the journey. So without wasting too much of time, let me tell you that I'm going to do monthly predictions for your sun sign on special request from many of my followers and subscribers. They are more inclined towards sun sign based prediction, and then comes pick a card reading for them. So we are going to again start with sun sign based predictions. Let's see what's in cards for your sun sign for the month of March 2020. Let's see what's in cards for Libras for March 2021. Hi Librans, let's see what's in cards for you for March 2021. We'll start with your energy oracle card. We have yin yang energy which is surrounding you, which is a good energy. It shows that you will be balancing your emotional as well as your practical sense in this month, and you will be trying to arrive at conclusion, arrive at decisions and planning by balancing these energies, which is a very positive message for all of us. Let's see what's in cards for your relationship. We can see that you are becoming too ambitious in your relationship and you are trying to expect something which is not in your expectation limit, which is not in your which is not possible. So because of that, you are becoming too dreamy, you are becoming too over ambitious, and you're not able to give justice to the relationship that is at offer, which is also clouding your thoughts. You're building in negativity, building in dissatisfaction in your life. So that is really in a negative zone that you are taking you in. So just try to be realistic. There are certain decisions which you have been postponing with regards to relationship. Don't postpone it further. Go for it. Take the decision, have the guts to declare it in people, have the guts to take that decision that will help you better your life from what it is in relationship segment. Coming to your career looks very potential. 3 of Cups in the upright position is suggesting that you will be doing very good in your career. You will be exploring some new horizons. There might be some new opportunities coming your way. You might be networking in the coming time where you will be awarded, you will be respected, you will be taken care of. You might be proposed with some new opportunity. If you have been planning for a job change, yes, it can be explored. If you have been planning to get rewarded or awarded for a better growth, yes, it can be expected. Abundance time is around the corner. Enjoy it, explore it, and use it rightly for your career growth. Coming to your financial success, we can see 4 of Wands in the reverse position. This card is suggesting that somewhere you will not be in control of your finances. Somewhere you will be pulled back by some wrong advisors in your financial segment. So just be little careful, extra careful. If you're exploring any new opportunity, try to see the reality. Try to see beyond illusions so that you can actually take right decisions, because otherwise it can lead you to a downfall. Coming to your health, guys, we have 2 of Swords in the reverse position, which is suggesting that somewhere you were not able to take clear decisions about your healthcare in past, but now you will be getting that clarity. You will be de-stressing yourself, you will be decluttering the negative thoughts, and you will be trying to take alternative healing therapies to help you help yourself. You will be coming out of the dreamland and to the reality and taking charge of your health and truly taking care of your health. Of course, we can still see universal light energy blocked. So somewhere your intuition is still looking blocked. So what you have to do for that is you have to connect with your spiritual self. How? Through chanting, through remembering your divine self, through remembering your connecting with your God, whichever religion you follow. Try to align your energies with the godly energies, and they will guide you on the way ahead to help you come out of any stress or blockage, if at all, which we can see in this is in relationship as well as finances. Wherever you feel you're getting nervous, ask for help from the rightful authorities. They will be more than open to help you. That is the energy angels are advising you. Ask for help from divine authorities. They will help you through guidance and synchronicities and messages, and with the help of people who care for you. So just follow this and you will win over the coming hurdles in March 2021. So friends, I really hope that this video, this reading will help you to plan your coming month in the best possible fashion. Don't forget, this is a general reading, so take it as a guiding light and not the verdict. Use it to plan your month wisely. Wherever you feel that there is a need of personal guidance, you can connect with me on my mobile number or on my email ID. You can put me a message on WhatsApp number, on Instagram page, on Facebook page. Wherever you feel the need and wherever you feel the need to connect and get the help, you can connect with me over there. You can share my videos with your friends and family on WhatsApp groups, on Facebook group, and multiple other groups, so that more and more people can get help out of these free readings and free guidance. Don't forget to comment on my videos. I am more than eager to know your feedback on the videos. Your feedback only has helped me to start the sun sign race predictions again. So don't forget to share your feedback. Don't forget to share the topics for your pick a card reading. I'll try to accommodate it across the coming months. And I really want to thank all the people who are already part of my journey and would like to welcome new people on board. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and as well as on YouTube channel, especially for these new subscribers. Take care, guys. Keep in touch. I hope to help you in my capacity. Take care.